Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the motherboard of the HP Omen 16XF. Before diving in, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and thermal paste. First, power down the laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Begin by removing the back panel. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located around the perimeter of the panel. Remember, some screws may be hidden beneath rubber feet or stickers, so check carefully. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. With the panel off, you will see the motherboard and other internal components. Before proceeding, ensure you're grounded by wearing an anti-static wrist strap. This prevents any static electricity from damaging sensitive components. Now, inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or swollen capacitors. If you notice any issues, it might be necessary to replace the affected parts. Next, clean the motherboard and surrounding components. Use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to remove dust and debris. This step is crucial as it helps prevent overheating and improves performance. If you feel overwhelmed or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. After cleaning, it's time to reapply thermal paste if you're planning to remove the CPU. Gently unscrew the CPU cooler, clean off the old thermal paste, and apply a new, pea-sized amount of paste to the CPU before reattaching the cooler. Now, if the motherboard is damaged and needs replacement, ensure you have the exact model. Remove the screws securing the motherboard and disconnect any cables attached to it. Carefully lift the motherboard out of the chassis. If you need assistance, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you figure out the best course of action. Install the new motherboard by reversing the removal process. Place it carefully into the chassis, reconnect all cables, and secure it with screws. Make sure everything is in its proper place to avoid any fitting issues. Once the motherboard is secured, reattach the back panel of the laptop. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screws. Avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, power on your laptop and check if it boots up properly. If everything works fine, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your HP Omen 16XF motherboard. If not, don't hesitate to get a quote before repair from our team, ensuring you have a clear understanding of any further issues. This repair process not only saves you money but also gives you insight into how your laptop operates. Thank you for following along, and happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.